You're stuck in a meeting with a tight deadline, and your team's project plans hang in the balance. Your usually reliable office printer is out of order, and the repairman won't be able to fix it till the end of the day. Panic sets in as you frantically search for the perfect replacement. But have you considered the Epson Workforce WF-7710, a robust, wireless, wide-format color inkjet printer designed to be the ultimate game-changer in your busy office? Today, we're going to explore this powerhouse's incredible capabilities and assess whether it's the perfect solution to your printing needs. As a market leader, Epson understands that every business requires efficient, reliable, and cutting-edge printing solutions to maintain productivity and meet demands. However, not all offices have the luxury of space or resources for large, bulky devices. That's why the Epson Workforce WF-7710 addresses a critical problem: the gap between compact design and professional-grade performance. As soon as you unbox the printer, its compact form factor takes center stage. Measuring 17.6 by 13.8 by 8.3 inches, it seamlessly fits on any office desk or shelf. Constructed with high-quality materials, the device showcases an impeccable build quality. A minimalist exterior design allows for an uncluttered and sleek aesthetic, perfect for even the most modern home offices. The Epson Workforce WF-7710 features an extensive range of innovative technologies that set it apart from its predecessors. At its heart lies Precision Core technology, a groundbreaking innovation that enables rapid and high-quality printing. This powerful printhead delivers remarkable results, effortlessly creating stunning, borderless prints up to 13 inches wide and 19 inches long. This versatility makes it perfect for professionals who require large documents, such as posters, presentations, or art printouts. This printer boasts an exceptionally generous 250-sheet capacity paper tray that can be effortlessly loaded with a variety of papers. In addition, it can accommodate up to 20 sheets of photo paper or 10 envelopes for increased flexibility. Furthermore, this intelligent printer offers an automatic two-sided printing function, allowing users to print their files in half the time. With speeds of up to 7 ppm ISO in black and 6 ppm ISO in color, the Epson Workforce WF-7710 can help you quickly meet tight deadlines and maintain a high level of productivity. But performance isn't the only aspect of the Epson Workforce WF-7710. It's also a top-notch scanner. Equipped with a robust scanning unit, you can scan large files such as contracts, invoices, and documents, directly digitizing them and converting them into editable digital files. This not only helps you streamline your business processes, but also contributes to creating a clutter-free workspace. Now, let's discuss some of the Epson Workforce WF-7710's most critical features and how they stack up against competing options. In many cases, office workers use their printer not just for printing, but also as a copier, scanner, and even fax machine. The Epson Workforce WF-7710 checks all these boxes with ease, providing seamless transitions between tasks. Another standout feature of this device is wireless printing. This allows users to print easily from anywhere within the office, saving valuable time and increasing productivity. Users can effortlessly connect devices to the Epson Workforce WF-7710 via Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet, further enhancing convenience and functionality. In terms of eco-friendliness, the Epson Workforce WF-7710 has a remarkably low energy consumption of just 1.9 watts during standby mode. Moreover, this printer adheres to the Epson Replace, Not Recycling initiative, emphasizing the importance of using original Epson genuine ink cartridges to avoid any damage to the device and reduce potential environmental risks. After extensive testing with a variety of different files and documents, it's without doubt that the Epson Workforce WF-7710 is one of the fastest and most reliable printers available in the market. We found the wireless connectivity seamless and straightforward, easily allowing multiple users to effortlessly print and transfer files. So what are the main pros and cons of the Epson Workforce WF-7710? One of its major downsides is the high cost of replacement ink cartridges, especially when compared to other competing brands. However, Epson emphasizes that the use of genuine ink not only delivers the highest quality results, but also contributes to the overall lifespan of the device. While initial costs might appear steep, consider the potential cost savings from reduced maintenance needs and longer print head lifespan. When looking at competing models, the HP Envy 6455 offers very similar functionalities to the Epson Workforce WF-7710, including printing, copying, and scanning. However, the Epson Workforce WF-7710's precision core technology still gives it an edge over competing inkjet printers in terms of print quality and resolution. To sum this up, the Epson Workforce WF-7710 is an excellent choice for organizations seeking top-tier, all-in-one printing solutions that can handle even the smallest to the largest of tasks, from printing to scanning, copying, and faxing. The Epson Workforce WF-7710 offers outstanding print quality combined with an impressive array of features that significantly boost productivity. If after reading this review, you find yourself in need of an outstanding office printer that ticks all the right boxes, I strongly recommend considering the Epson Workforce WF-7710 as part of your office setup. To get your hands on this fantastic printer, simply click the link below or visit your nearest office supply store.